Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the operating system and the recorder app are current. This avoids compatibility problems. Next, grant or verify microphone, camera, and storage permissions so the recorder can capture audio and video. Once done, check available disk space and free at least 500 MB, then reboot the device to clear locked files and residual processes. These actions eliminate common blockers quickly and let you run an initial test recording within minutes to see what errors, if any, persist. You now run a short 10-second test using default settings to isolate issues. A small sample reveals whether capture, audio, or sync problems exist. If glitches appear, change codecs, lower resolution, or toggle between 30 and 60 FPS to reduce CPU/GPU load. Make sure overlays and VPNs are off because they can block capture hooks. If the recorder uses hardware encoding, try software encoding to compare. These targeted changes help determine whether the problem is settings, performance, or external interference. You finish by reinstalling the recorder or clearing its app data and restoring defaults. This removes corrupted configs. Then verify hardware. Test the microphone and camera in other apps, run a short GPU stress test, and update or roll back drivers where applicable. Once complete, run the recorder in safe mode or with minimal background apps to confirm stability. If problems remain, open the app logs for error codes and use that single troubleshooting tip. Compare logs between working and failing runs to pinpoint the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.